Hiya, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to make up the cable that connects the Screamin Eagle Pro Super Tuner to the bike. So this is the kit, which is number 32184-08A, and what you get is the cable that connects to the bike and the unit, which is what we're going to be making up. And the other cable you get is a standard USB to a B connector, which is sort of like standard printer cable. So these are the bits I've used. This is a standard extension cable, DB9 extension cable. You do have to be careful when buying these, because the first one I got, which I thought was alright because it had the connection, the DB9 connection, was a modem high-speed cable, and pin 9 wasn't used. And apparently I found out subsequently that not all of these are connected the same, and they don't all use the same wires, so they're not pin to pin. But if you get an extension cable, then you should be okay. And then just to make sure of that, what I did was, before I cut it, because then I could send it back if it wasn't right, I buzzed through all of the connections. So I just went through all of them and made sure that it was all right. So be careful of that. And obviously this is the Harley one, so it's that end that we need, not that end. Chop the end off that you're not using, and any sleeving you're going to use, then thread that through at the time. So I'm just going to use a little grommet that will go into there when I finish, but I need that on now. The other thing I got was this, which is called a back shell. That was about £7, and the plug kit. This comes in a 4-pin plug and socket, and it's all I'm going to be using is this piece, which corresponds to the Harley. Don't need that, don't need that, gonna need that. Crimped terminals. So the first thing I'm going to do is strip back this, and I want to find my pins and the colour of the wire. Now don't forget that your lead might be different from my lead, so what my colours are doesn't mean that's what your colours are. So you're going to need a kind of like a multimeter, or you're going to need a battery and a light. So I'll just trim all these off. So I want pin 1. Pin 1 is red on mine, and pin 5, that's black. Pin 7, that's white, and pin 9 is blue. So I've trimmed back the wires that I don't need. I've got my heat shrink threaded on, and I've also got my cover threaded on, and my grommet. That wire is just holding it together because it's cut. So now trim these back. So I reckon probably to about there. And then strip these off a little bit. And then crimp them up. Right, well the wire is so thin that I've had to resort to soldering, I'm afraid. So I don't quite know what to suggest with that one, because they were just too thin, and even on the smallest crimp, well 20 to 18, it wasn't closing it up enough. So I think the wires are just too thin on my lead. So I guess you're going to have to figure out how to do that. Anyway, pin 1 on the Deutsch, which is that one, is black. And you just push them in at the back. So that's black. Pin 2 is red. Pin 3 is white. And then pin 4 is blue. You do feel them click into place. So they're all in, and then the wedge goes in. That's it. Bit fiddly. So now I want to just check that. So that is pin 1, and pin 1 goes to pin 2, and pin 5 goes to pin 1, and then pin 9 goes to pin 4, 1, 2, 3, and pin 7 goes to pin 3. So that's all right. So put my heat shrink back up here. And then my cover that's it. So now I want to compare it to the Harley one. Bit tricky, I know. So that pin, which is pin 4 I think, goes to pin 9. Okay, pin 4 to pin 9. That's pin 3. So pin 3 to pin 7. So pin 3 to pin 7. Pin 1 to pin 5. So that's that one there to that one there. And then pin 2 is pin 1. Which is that one there. Pin 2. So that corresponds to the Harley. So then the only other thing to do is plug it into the bike. So these wires were a lot thinner than I'd anticipated. I'm not sure the crimp terminals are the right terminals to get. You can get solid ones, but then you need a specialised crimping tool. So that's the best of the connection's secure, and that's held in, so that should be okay. So I'm quite happy with that. One made up lead. I'll plug it into the bike and see how that goes. So I've got this hooked up already, and then I've just got to plug it in. So then that just plugs into there. Like that. And then this plugs into the computer. So I'll just plug that in there. And then plug it into the computer. And then start the Screamin Eagle program. Turn the bike on and put it to run, and it's connected up to the bike. You can see that that's all come up, and just give it a little start to make sure. There we go. So that's all working. Good. Turn the bike off. Great. Turn that off. That's it. So, thanks for watching. Hope you found that useful, and I'll catch you next time. Cheerio.